This question wants us to copy and complete the frequency table. Now the first thing we need to complete is the score column, because we've only got the first one of 70 to 79. So this is obviously going up in 10, so that's the first one's all the 70s, so the next one's going to be all the 80s, so 80 to 89. We have 90 to 99, 100 to 109, and then 110 to 119. And now we just go through and fill in the tally chart. So 77, so that's going to be one there, 93, one there, 87, one there, 71 here. So every time I'm adding one in, I'm crossing it off so I know how many I've done. 178, 84, 91, 97, 88, 102, 107. So I've now done my tally, so now it's my frequency. That's just adding up how many tally marks I've got. So I've got 3, 3, 5, 3, and 0. So adding this up, 3 add 3 add 3 add 5 is 14. And there's my answer.